The harsh truth about money in 2025 and how to win. Let's be honest. The way we earn, save, invest, and grow money in 2025 is not what it used to be. We're living in a world where your job might be replaced by AI, where rent has doubled, but salaries haven't, and where saving money the old way might actually be making you poorer. Welcome to the harsh truth about money in 2025. But here's the good news. If you understand the new rules, you can still win. Not just survive, but build real wealth, freedom, and options. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through what's changed and why you feel stuck, the 5 new money truths no one's teaching you, and a step-by-step game plan to thrive in 2025 and beyond. Stick with me, because what you don't know about money right now is probably costing you every single day. Let's get into it. Truth number 1. Saving money isn't safe anymore. You've probably been told since you were a kid. Save your money. Be responsible. Don't spend too much. But in 2025, saving is not enough. Inflation is eating up your buying power faster than your savings account can grow. Interest rates in high-yield savings accounts? Around 4.5%. But real inflation? It's more like 6 to 8% once you factor in food, rent, and healthcare. That means if you're just saving, you're losing money in slow motion. How to win? Save just enough for 3 to 6 months of emergency funds. Then focus on investing, creating assets, and building income-producing systems. Truth number 2. One source of income is a dangerous game. Jobs used to be safe. Work 40 years, retire, done. But in 2025, AI can write code. Chatbots can replace customer service. Gig work is unstable, and layoffs happen over email. Depending on one job or one client is like walking a financial tightrope with no safety net. And if you lose that one income stream, you don't just lose money, you lose your peace of mind. How to win? Build at least 2 additional income streams. Freelance a skill you already have. Start a digital side hustle. Monetize content, affiliate links, or a niche blog. The goal? Money coming in even when you're not clocking in. Truth number 3. Most people are living above their means, silently. People are smiling on Instagram, but drowning in credit card debt. They're upgrading their phones, clothes, vacations, all while living paycheck to paycheck, or worse, borrowing to look like they're winning. In 2025, debt is easy, silent, and addictive. Buy now, pay later? It's turning 20-year-olds into long-term debt slaves. How to win? Track your spending. Yes, all of it. Use a zero-based budget. Every dollar has a job. Delay lifestyle upgrades. Focus on net worth, not flex worth. Truth number 4. The attention economy is keeping you broke. Here's the painful truth. You're not just losing money because of your job or your bills. You're losing it because your focus is being stolen every single day. Apps are designed to keep you scrolling, not thinking. Watching, not building. In 2025, your attention is the currency of billion-dollar tech companies. They profit when you stay distracted and broke. How to win? Set a timer and track how much time you spend on YouTube, TikTok, and IG. Schedule creation time before consumption time. Build a 90-minute daily focus window for income-generating tasks. Truth number 5. Your money mindset will make or break you. Most people don't need more money. They need to upgrade the way they think about money. Ask yourself, do I believe money is hard to make? Do I feel guilty wanting to be rich? Do I think wealth is for them, not me? If yes, then your mindset is your real problem, not your paycheck. Because if you think small, you'll act small. And if you act small, you'll stay broke. How to win? Study how wealthy people think, not just how they spend. Replace "I can't afford it" with "how can I afford it?" Normalize wealth. Stop feeling guilty for wanting more. The 2025 Money Survival Plan. Let's bring this all together. If you want to thrive in this new financial world, here's your game plan. Step 1. Fix the foundation. Build an emergency fund. 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Eliminate high-interest debt like credit cards. Step 2. Build your income stack. Keep your main job, but don't stop there. Add one scalable side hustle like digital products, freelancing, content, or reselling. Step 3. Invest relentlessly. Use dollar cost averaging to invest in index funds or ETFs. Learn about assets like dividend stocks, REITs, or fractional real estate. Make your money work harder than you do. Step 4. Automate your wealth. Auto transfer into savings and investment accounts. Set rules, not goals. Example: every time I get paid, 10% goes to investments automatically. Step 5. Reprogram your mind. Listen to wealth podcasts. Journal about your goals. Remove limiting beliefs and scarcity thinking. Look, the system is changing. The rules have changed. But here's the secret. You don't have to play by the old rules. In fact, you can't afford to. You have to be proactive, not passive. Focused, not distracted. Strategic, not reactive. What's one money rule you're going to start applying today? Drop it in the comments. I want to hear from you.